Good morning guys. We are here in Club Balay Isabel in Talisay, Batangas. So I'm going to show you around. We are going to stay here for a couple of days. So let's check out the rooms, the facilities, and how much is a one night stay here in Club Balay Isabel and what are the activities.
Let's do first the room tour here in Clobalay Isabel, and ang room namin ay located sa Bañadero. May sarili siyang kitchen, mini kitchen with dining table, good for 6, 2 rooms, and may complimentary water and kaping barako of course. Yung 2 rooms niya, yung isang room may kasya yung 4 and the other one kasya yung 2. Pero meron din siyang sofa bed sa labas. And bawat room ay meron kanya-kanyang restroom or comfort rooms, shower and toilet. Also, they have complimentary toiletries like toothbrush and toothpaste, shampoo and conditioner, and also a small soap.
Morning guys, so we are still here in Club Balay Isabel in Talisay, Batangas. So we are going to check out some of the facilities of the resort.
This is one of the 3 pools of Clabalay Isabel. Ito yung pinakamalaki and nakaharap siya sa Lawa or Taal Lake and nasa likod din siya ng restaurant and front desk area or reception area ng Clabalay Isabel. Yung dalawa naman, yung isa sa may bandang gate, malapit siya sa pier na kung tawagin ay pier, and the other one naman ay malapit sa spa area nila or sa massage area nila. This is the restaurant and katabi niyan yung kanilang front desk. This is the way going to the Taal Lake itself where you can touch the water and enjoy swimming if it is possible. But right now, hindi po siya pwede kasi acidic yung tubig. Bawal mag-swimming, bawal gumamit ng aqua park kasi acidic yung tubig gawa ng activity ng Taal Volcano recently. So, ayan. So, dito naman sa area na to, dito naka-station ang Red Cross na 24/7. So, emergency, pwede kayo dyan pumunta. This area naman is yung balikatan. Pwede kayong mag-team building kasi may mga activity to na pwedeng sa team building. Also in Club Balay Isabel, may catering service din sila na pwede nyong i-hire. Also, this building here is the Aplaya where you can celebrate weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, and other occasions.
The swimming pool o Balay Isabel.
Dahil sa napakalawak ng Club Balay Isabel and mapapagod kayo maglakad, and kung may kasama kayong seniors, pwede naman kayong sumakay sa kanilang shuttle. Antayin nyo lang na dumaan and sabihin nyo kung saan kayo bababa or pupunta. And also kung gusto nyo maglakad-lakad sa tabi ng Lawa or Dalampasigan, pwede naman to get a closer look of the aqua park kasi napakaserene ng location. If you are check-in here at Club Balay Isabel, you can do some of the activities like biking kasi may for rent naman sila sa may tapat ng reception area. Ganon din ang billiards and also jogging and strolling and many more.
Mahal eh.
By the way, this is their second pool na kung saan mas malapit ito sa kanilang spa. For the room rates, you can check the link down below sa booking.com kung saan pwede kayo mag-book ng inyong stay here at Club Balay Isabel.
We are going to look around kung ano yung makikita natin dito sa area and yung mga facilities nila.
Right now, pupunta muna tayo sa front desk area nila or reception area nila. Ito yung katabi nito ay yung reception area, but this one is the kumintang or kanilang restaurant. Ito yung reception area or front desk. And sa likod naman ng front desk, paglabas ninyo, ito yung playground ng mga kids. And katabi niyan ang pool na malaki.
Kuya, aplaya.
Dahil may kalayuan ang aming room sa reception desk, ay kailangan naming sumakay ng shuttle. In this area naman ang kanilang spa and massage, but you need to get a schedule. Then, nung gabi, pumunta kami sa Pierre Lakeside kung saan pwede kayo magstay for a couple of drinks and chill out. Ang katabi naman yan ay isang maliit na pool na nakaharap din sa lake ng Taal. In the morning, naisipan naming dumaan muna sa church and chinek din namin kung ano yung itsura sa loob ng church. And yes, maganda po ito and pwede po dito magdaos ng kasal or any church activities. If you guys have comments or suggestions, please write down below so I can go back to you. And thank you for watching. I hope na nagustuhan ninyo ang ating pag-explore ng Club Balay Isabel sa Talisay, Batangas. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!